to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this glam look. Please keep watching. So I heated up my curling iron, my 1-inch curling iron, and the clip you can use is this one, or you can use a bobby pin. I'll show you guys how to do a Hollywood wave. Usually we curl the hair outwards, but today we're going to curl the hair inwards. So this gives more of a glam look. So I parted my hair on my right. You just brush your hair. I'm going to use my heat protectant spray, the K-Pack Joico. Make sure you spray it everywhere. And just use a brush just to spread the spray all over. So next I'm going to part my hair. I'm just gonna take this much and just section it away. So I'm just gonna section it in half, and we are going to curl the hair inwards. Make sure the barrel is facing the front and the clamp is facing the back. So it's better to use a curling iron instead of a wand, because after we are going to grab the curl. It's a lot easier to grab the curl. Grab your clip and just pin it to stay put like this. Next we'll grab the next section. We're gonna curl it inwards. Make sure the barrel is facing the front and the clamp is facing the back. It's better to start curling your hair from your roots. That way your ends are not being touched with the curling iron longer. And the reason why we are pinning them is so that they last longer, and this gives more of a Hollywood glam look. So you just do it all the way to the top. It's a lot harder to do it on myself. I usually do it on other people. So you just keep grabbing sections. The more wavier you want it, the smaller the sections you can grab. So this style, make sure the ends are curled. You can also pin your hair like this if you curl your hair outwards. If you pin it, it lasts a lot longer. This is what I normally do for the brides. I curl their hair and then just pin it and then take it down, and their curls will last the whole day. The curlier it is, the better your hair will get that glam Hollywood look. There are different ways of doing this style, but this is the easiest and fastest way you can do it. This is gonna take longer for me to do. I have a lot of hair. I'm running out of shows to watch on Netflix. Can you guys comment down below and let me know what shows I should watch? I finished watching Money Heist, and I wish there were more episodes. I think they're coming out with a new season next year, but I don't like how it ended. Right now I'm currently watching Never Have I Ever. It's not bad. I'm usually watching the shows that show on the top 10. Now for the top part, we are going to section. I'm going to start from the back. So we will just section the hair this way and just pin everything else away. The barrel is at the back and I am curling it back. Which gives volume. So when I'm done with that, I just slide it out. And then I pin it like what I did with the rest of the hair. So I'm just gonna curl this last one at the top, which is going back. I'm going to split it in half because I have a lot of hair, and I'm gonna curl it back. And then you just pin it as well. And then next is this other half. Okay, now this section, I'm just gonna part it right here. So I'll curl this part going towards my face. So barrel in the front and clamp at the back. Okay, now this section, I'm gonna section it out this way. And I'm still going to curl it towards the face. This one I'm taking bigger sections because I want the front to look thicker and fuller. Struggling. Like, there. So I like to bring it down, this, and then curl it. I'm gonna use this clip. There we go. This is a really thin part and it's kind of my baby hair, so I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want to touch it with heat. We're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll take it out. So I'll start taking it out from where I started, which is the back. Who do I look like? All right, so now I'm going to take off the pins. And when you take it off, just let it naturally fall. Don't play around with it yet. So it's gonna look like this first. We're gonna fix it. This is my hair after you take out the curls. My oil, just get a tiny bit. We are going to just put it all over the hair, but don't comb it through, just put it all over the curls. Next, get your brush and start brushing the hair from the bottom, and you're gonna bring it all the way up. And it's going to look like this first. And all you have to do now is just shape it and play around with it the way you want it to look. The point of having the glam waves is that they all look like they're going the same direction. That's what you want to achieve. It's gonna look a little different with layers, but that's okay. It's still going to look like a glammy look. I have layers, so it's a little bit harder. Just have to shape it the direction you want it to go. You can even comb it out again with your brush. So this is the Hollywood Glam Look that I achieved. Everyone's hair is different, so it is going to look different on everyone's hair. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please turn on your notification button that's on my channel. That way you guys get notified when I have new videos. And normally I post on Mondays and Wednesdays, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be back with more videos. Thank you. Bye.